I'd like to show you my dog Billy snoring, sleeping on a nice couch, using his sister Molly, who is also snoring, as a pillow. As a pillow. And his tongue's going. Dreaming about chasing squirrels, aren't you? Listen to him snoring. Listen to that snoring. Wow, listen to him snore. And his tongue's going. Have you heard anything? Have you ever heard anything like it? He's snoring his head off. And that's what you call a dog nap. There's his sister. She's still awake. Listen to her snore as well. Listen to where her tongue goes. Listen to her snoring. And her brother there. Absolute. Look. It's a dog's life, isn't it, eh? It's an absolute dog's life. An absolute dog's life, isn't it, eh? Absolute dog's life. Absolute dog's life.